everybody out there in VW Life land. Here we are today with all the VW Life guys. We got Tommy B, the Matt Jackson, Matt Martin, and myself, Gary. Here we are talking to you guys about something very amazing. It's because of you guys. We have hit an amazing, Matt Jackson, 5,000 subscribers. We're so excited. It's because of you guys. And so we're going to mark this a wonderful occasion with something from our friends at Wolfsburg West. They have given us a gift certificate for $100. And this is your opportunity to win a $100 gift certificate to Wolfsburg West.
That's right. And all you have to do to win it is leave a comment below.
And leave a comment below. And tell us what you're going to use it for on your Volkswagen. We want to know what you're going to do with this $100. Guys and gals, you know very well, Wolfsburg West is the go-to place for very, very good quality Volkswagen parts for your restoration or to keep your Volkswagen on the road. Nobody out there is a better source at all.
That's right. So leave a comment below. Tell us how you would use the money on your VW. Tell us why we should pick you. And who knows, you might get a $100 gift certificate to Wolfsburg West.
Yes, the link below for Wolfsburg West. So make sure you go there to their website. They're wonderful guys. They're going to get stuff out to you. The catalog they have, ask for the paper catalog. It's good reading at a certain place if you catch my drift.
Yep, and while you're at it, we'll leave a link to their website where you can order all the parts for yourself and follow them on Instagram. Link below.
Yes, indeed. Guys and gals, thank you so much for being a part of VW Life and 5,000 subscribers. Let's keep building. So tell everybody about VW Life. Hey everybody, so here we are at VW Life, and we have got something interesting. It's a box, and it's a ginormous box from our friends at Wolfsburg West, and we don't know what's in here. Well, we kind of have an idea what's in here, but we're going to unbox it and find out. So, oh gosh, look out. Martin's dangerous. They won't let me have sharp instruments. Look at that. Things you're not supposed to do, like pull towards your arm.
Pull towards Tommy.
All right, let's see what we got in here, guys and gals.
We need lots of oohs and ahs at this point.
Now? Oh, you haven't seen anything yet.
You want oohs? How about seat pads?
Ooh. Oh, you know what that is? Original horsehair.
So
made from real horses.
No, maybe not real horses.
It's real horses.
It's pretty good. I like that. It's all nice.
What
and
about with that? What's this?
Oh, look at that.
Extra wide stainless.
That is very nice running
Through
board trim.
1966.
This is how you get seen driving
Yes.
down the road.
So, and 67, just so you know, is when they went to the thin running board trim.
You can give a reference to that.
Yeah, there's a 67 right there. You see the difference. This is probably about maybe an inch and a quarter. That's maybe about 3/4 of an inch. That's really nice.
And if you're new here, we're VW Life, and we're restoring the 65 VW.
Yes.
And this is all going to go on that.
Oh, yes, that's the whole thing. This is the Harvest Beetle that will be at the show in October, third weekend of October, known as the Volkswagen Harvest. Let's see what else we got. Oh, man, I like that. Nice tar boards. Look at those. Very nice for your engine compartment. That's a must for every Volkswagen, tar boards. Oh, this is a Wolfsburg West specialty right here. They do such a wonderful job of the paint matching it just right on for the original paint. Got the code on there, the Volkswagen paint code, L466 silver beige, and then some L43 gray black, very similar to some anthracite color there too. And here's another box. Oh. Watch it, Martin. Be careful. Knife sharp. What's in here?
Surprises.
More goodies from Wolfsburg West.
There you go.
Ooh. Oh, look at that. There's our pop-out hinges, the little brackets there, and some door handle, interior door handles. Man, there's chrome inner door handles, 5666. Yep.
Got 2 door handles.
So, these are the ones with the little pins. Remember, we talked about that a while back. This had the little pins you have to knock out. 67s are the first year with screws. Pea shooter. Oh, that's our muffler installation kit.
This is the perfect way to see behind you.
Oh,
when
look
you're
at
driving.
this.
That is nice. Look at the chrome on that.
Look at that.
It's beautiful.
It is
It's
beautiful. Beautiful.
So when it comes to ordering from Wolfsburg West, we basically told them if there was a 1965 button, we would be pressing that button because we ordered everything for a 1965 VW.
And it's amazing. The quality that Wolfsburg West does is really, it's your go-to place. If you're serious about doing something to your Volkswagen, go to Wolfsburg West, please. It is just amazing the quality that you get there.
We also got some door panels.
So this is a 2-year only, 65, 66.
Or was this color a 1 year old?
Oh my gosh, look at that. Wow, there's your back quarters. There's your front with the map pockets. Look at that. Wow, it's beautiful.
Off-white.
Yep.
Look how good that's good look on that paint.
So fresh and so clean.
So nice. All right, everybody. Well, thank you guys so much for watching today. This unboxing of some of the goodies we got from Wolfsburg West. All this is going on the Harvest Beetle, what we call HB19. And we are just so excited to just get this car going and to share it with you. So please make sure you comment below and tell folks about, please get the word out. Tell everybody you know. Tell your aunts, tell your uncles, brothers, sisters, the guy on the street you don't even know, or somebody with a Volkswagen. Just, hey, check out VW Life, man. Really, really, really appreciate you guys and everything y'all are doing for us.